Successfully filing Form I-526 Immigrant Petition by Alien Entrepreneur is the critical first step in the EB-5 investor visa process. This petition proves to U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services that the petitioner has made or is in the process of making the requisite capital investment in a new commercial enterprise. It also demonstrates that the investment will create the required number of qualifying jobs. Understanding the core requirements is crucial, as the I-526 petition must comprehensively demonstrate compliance with all EB-5 regulations. Failure to provide adequate evidence in any area can lead to requests for evidence or outright denial. The petitioner must prove that the required capital, typically $1.05 million or $800,000 if investing in a targeted employment area, has been irrevocably committed and is fully available. This includes documentation tracing the capital from its origin, such as salary, sale of assets, gifts, or loans. Bank statements and wire transfer confirmations are needed to show funds moved into the U.S. commercial enterprise's bank account. Evidence that the funds are non-refundable and dedicated solely to the EB-5 project is also critical. Proof that the investment is being made into a legally formed business entity established after November 29, 1990, or an existing business meeting specific criteria is essential. Required documentation often includes articles of incorporation or organization, operating or partnership agreements, and business licenses and permits. A fundamental component is demonstrating that the investment will result in the creation or preservation of at least 10 full-time equivalent jobs. These jobs must be for qualifying employees within 2 years of the immigrant visa issuance or adjustment of status. For a new enterprise, USCIS requires a detailed, conservative job creation projection, often supported by an economic impact study. The method of proving job creation depends on the structure of the new commercial enterprise. For wholly owned NCES, petitioners must show specific positions budgeted and ready for hiring. For investments made through regional centers, an economic impact study must project indirect and induced jobs based on established economic models. The business plan serves as the roadmap, detailing how the investment will achieve its goals, and it must be realistic and achievable.
Key elements include market analysis, organizational structure, and 5-year financial projections. Ensure all financial projections align with the source of funds documentation and the capital deployment schedule. Preparing the I-526 petition is a complex undertaking requiring meticulous documentation of capital sourcing, business formation, and job creation projections. Given the high scrutiny applied by USCIS, especially regarding the source and path of funds, it is strongly recommended that petitioners engage experienced legal counsel. Once the petition is filed, the petitioner receives a receipt notice and the case moves into the adjudication queue.